Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Hope you guys are having a great Friday today. Most of you know me as a nutritionist or a health coach. I am the owner of Bill Mabry Coaching, but also I've taken a hobby of mine that I've had for over 40 years and I've turned it into a part-time business. What I've done is I'm now a concealed carry and home defense fundamental instructor. So I'm a certified instructor. I'm also a certified a range officer also. So the cost, the cost of ammo and the cost of the range fees are so high that a lot of people, a lot of these gun owners and a lot of these people that have bought or now have a CCW permit to carry a concealed firearm, most of them that I've talked to over the last year or so, most of them just don't get down to the range and practice. Well, if you're a gun owner and you bought a firearm for home protection, or if you're a CCW permit holder, then it's absolutely essential that you practice the different fundamental drills and you fully understand the responsibility you're taking by not only being a gun owner for home protection and knowing the steps you need to understand about if you have children in the home and how to store them safely. You also need to understand the responsibility and how you're looked at by the police, the prosecutors, and the jury when you do have a CCW permit, which is a concealed carry permit. You're looked at a lot different if that unthinkable situation happens where you actually have to protect yourself because you fear for your life and your family's life. But you have to understand all the different steps. So, one of the most popular and most escalated way in order to keep your precision and accuracy and also to practice the different concealed carry fundamental drills is by what we call dry fire. So what I've done is I've actually put together a great presentation, which is about 2.5 hours long. And after the presentation, my students will be going through an actual in-classroom in a safe and controlled environment, which is known as dry fire practice. And we'll be going over the safety fundamentals and also over drills in order to give you the tools you need and the experience you need and to be able to handle a loaded firearm at a live range. So you're basically getting all the information up front before you even go to a live range to make sure that when you do go to a live range, you feel comfortable when handling a live firearm. So right now, I'm just going to kind of give you an idea. So this afternoon, my grandson's coming over. So him and I are going to have a little competition shooting. And I've purchased a program that I really enjoy and that I use to practice with. I try to practice the different fundamental drills, holster drills from concealed carry, different protection drills, and different scenarios and where I'm timed. Because if the unthinkable does happen, you only got a few seconds to think about what you're going to do. So you better be prepared. And you actually need, and what we call reality-based training is we practice, which that is considered reality when an attacker is attacking us. And so that's between 9 to 15 feet. We're practicing from a concealed carry holster, and we are timing ourselves how quickly we are able to pull our firearm out of our holster and to be able to shoot at precision and accuracy at the high center chest area in order to stop that attacker. So I'm just going to give you an idea of what my program looks like and the tool that I'm using. So here we go. So right here is where my phone goes. So my phone will go on this, and then I'll set the program up on my phone, and this is my target. So you can see when I'm talking about the high center chest area, what I'm looking at is I want to get right in this area here. In actuality, on a human, the outside square also is an area where you want to make sure your pattern is. Now, if your pattern that you're using is small and in here, then basically you're too slow. You need to actually speed up your draw or speed up your shooting, because if your pattern is scattered, that means that you're most likely dropping your time. And then, of course, we have the different types of firearms. We're currently using 9mm. And then these are the lasers that actually go in the chamber, so that we're actually hitting a laser. So when we pull the trigger, the laser is going to hit right in here wherever we're shooting. And then my phone is going to actually record the area where that laser hit, and also going to record the timing on how quickly that we hit. But once she says fire, that's the tone she says fire. When we pull the trigger, it's going to tell us how much time it took us to make that shot. And then of course there's other drills. There's holster drills, there's speed drills, there's accuracy drills. There's just all kinds of different drills you can do when you're using a program that is like this particular program here. So guys, just want to give you an idea of how the best way to practice. Now, when we're doing these dry fire practicing, absolutely no live ammo is allowed anywhere in this room. In my classroom, no live ammo is allowed in the classroom. Now, in the classroom, when we do emergency reloads, or teaching you how to reload your magazines or malfunctions, we have what we got dummy ammo. And so we use the dummy ammo for those different drills. So guys, if you want more information about my dry fire class, it's actually, the name of it is called the Basic Handgun Safety Fundamentals Dry Fire. You can go to Handgun Safety Academy at gmail.com. Send me your email and you'll get I'll put you on the list for future classes when we do our basic handgun safety fundamental dry fire classes. You guys have a great day.